National champion road race cyclist Muzi Shabangu, alongside two other local cyclists, have left the country to Rwanda to attend the African Continental Championship tournament. Shabangu promised to lift the kingdom's flag high in Rwanda. We have a report.
A delegation of cyclists left the country to Rwanda in Kigali to attend the 2018 African Continental Championship. This is not the first championship for the cyclists, having attended the previous edition in Egypt last year. Bidding forward to the team, Swazi Sports and Recreation Council representative Zamatsabetse wished the cyclists all the best as they go represent the Kingdom of Swaziland.
The team that is traveling is quite a very strong team. Commonwealth Games that Gold Coast, Australia, April.
Muzi Shabangu from MTN Kemani is the one carrying the nation's hope in the precious tournament. He promised to do all in his power to return home with good results.
Bengithembisa nje ukuthi living da representa kahle eRwanda ngidawenda konke lokusemandleni kwami kuze livela kangwane nalo libonakale lingamanye amavela the best la Africa.
The delegation has 3 cyclists with a coach who are all headed by the president of the Swaziland Cycling Association, Sihlangu Hlabatsi. The main day of the event will be on Sunday, the 18th this month, with the delegation expected to return home by Monday next week. For Swazi TV Sports, Fabrice Msonera, Babane.